Nico, and I'm a designer. So at the moment I design things ranging from furniture to theme park props, and also film props, but that's a little side project that I do. So to start off, I went to university. Always enjoyed making things, so I thought that was sort of the right path to go to. And I graduated in product and furniture design. When I was younger, I used to get a lot of toys, as you do as a kid, and I sort of had a fascination for just taking everything I could find apart, just to learn how they worked, how they went together. Eventually my mom banned people from buying me electronic toys because I just used to not put them back together again after that. So ever since I started making things, I've occasionally sold them to people. I made a bit of money doing that. Obviously, as I graduated in furniture design, I thought, well, why not make some furniture? So me and a friend from my course decided to see how difficult it was. Turns out it is. Okay, so I'm not sure how I got into making film props, or specifically film props. I guess I just quite like being immersed into things, and maybe film props connect people with the film that they like. One of the most detailed props I think it was the first prop I made, was after I left uni, or at least the summer after. For some reason they still allowed me into the workshop, so I thought I'd use almost every machine or tool I could use. So I actually made the Iron Man arc reactor from the first film. So I had hand cutting, hand finishing, had 3D printed parts in there, had laser cut parts, and it ended up looking okay. I still haven't finished it. It's been sort of 2 years now. I don't think anyone ever completely finishes anything to the standard that they want. This book here wasn't actually made by me, as it was sent from someone, I think in America, possibly Australia. Obviously I'm not the only one that likes making stuff. There's actually a prop forum online called the Replica Prop Forum. It's got thousands of members, all sort of helping each other out, so it's a good community. Anyway, every year they do a Secret Santa, so it's a huge worldwide Secret Santa, so you just add your name to the list and one of the guys on the forum sorts you out with a partner to send a present to. The guy that arranged or organised the event actually sent me something. So this is the Holy Grail diary that Indiana's dad sent him. And it's incredibly detailed. Surprised to get something this incredible from someone I've never met. But I suppose that's what the prop forum's like. Everyone just wants to help each other and aim for the same thing, really. When I do design things, if it's props or sort of more commercial products or furniture, it really depends what the client needs, obviously, because I work freelance a lot of the time. A lot of inspiration comes from just sort of watching what the problem is, or sort of developing how people use something and then sort of working that into a design. So if you're going to go out there and design things, it's firstly incredibly frustrating a lot of the time, but just sort of power through it. I think it's important to find something that you enjoy doing. Obviously I enjoy doing props, but I don't know everything there is to know about props. I do a lot of this because it teaches me to do or discover new things. I like learning lots of different processes, and I think that helps towards anything creative, just constantly learning.